Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast, Where America Goes for Funding, guys. For the last 20 years, we've been working very hard to help all of you people out there in America to get your mortgage funding, whether commercial or residential. You can call or text our number at the above, 832-431-6333. We want to help and serve you to get you the best mortgage loan that we can, and that's why we're here. And one of the things that we're going to be talking about today is hard money loans. You know, we specialize in hard money. We're a top Texas hard money lender for the last decade. And one of the things that I think hard money a lot of times gets a bad rap. And I wanted to talk about more in depth today about how to use hard money wisely. And that's the topic for today. And the takeaway is, how can you actually use hard money wisely? And how can it be strategic? Because you're paying a higher interest rate, you're paying more closing costs. So why would anyone do that? So I'm going to talk about some of the power of hard money and actually how to use hard money wisely. So essentially right now we're in a seller's market. You have cash buyers all over, and a lot of people don't have, let's say the average home price is $300,000. The average commercial property is $700,000. So a lot of people, if it's a cash market, don't have that kind of cash laying around. Did you know that you can actually use hard money in lieu of cash because you can close so fast? We just closed a hard money deal in Dallas in 3 days. $1 million deal. That's the power of hard money. They had an opportunity in Dallas to take down a property that was worth $4 million. They had 4 days to close, and they called us. All right, 4 days to close. Now, you can't arrange any conventional financing in 4 days. I don't care how rich you are. Okay, so hard money loans, they take on a different precedence, and that's the speed and the power of hard money. They called us on Thursday. We funded on Monday, funded the loan. Okay, that's how fast we funded that transaction. You can never do that with conventional, FHA, VA, private loans. It would take at least a minimum of 3 weeks on the best day, and on most lenders, 30 days to fund $1 million transaction. We funded a $1 million loan in as little as 3 days, okay? That's how to use hard money wisely. When an investor sees an opportunity, all right, he needs access to capital right away. That's why you tap hard money, okay? Because the underlying asset is worth so much. You don't care about paying a 12% interest rate or paying 4 or 5 points, because you're looking at the bigger picture. I have a multi-million-dollar project, and that's what the focus and the attention's on. It's not about, oh, I had to pay 12% interest. He might pay 12% interest for 2 months, and then he's done with us and he moves on down the line. Okay? So that's how powerful hard money is. Okay? You're not going to pay 12% for the rest of your life, but that's what you did to close on that deal, and that deal is worth a heck of a lot more than the points and fees that you had to pay to get that hard money loan. And especially right now in the market that we're in, he was buying a foreclosed property that was getting seized by a bank. He had no time to wait. On Tuesday, it was going on the auction block. So he couldn't wait 30 days for a conventional loan. He needed the fund right now. And that's the power of hard money, guys, and why you want to think about hard money. If you're in Texas and you need a fund fast, whether it's a foreclosure bailout, a bankruptcy bailout, or you just see a hot smoking deal, you got to call or text our office at 832-431-6333. You can go up to 70% loan to value. You got interest rates starting at 9%, points starting at 3%, asset-based loans, not credit-driven, for you guys. For 1 to 4 family, commercial, multifamily, we're here to help you guys to get you funded. Awesome programs. We can close fast, get you the capital that you need. Whether you need rehab, you need takedown, you need construction, you want to refinance cash out. We have all different types of programs to help you to get you the funding and get you the capital if you're in Texas. So I want you to think about, hard money has a place, and it makes a lot of sense if you're a smart investor and you use it wisely. Now, obviously, you wouldn't use hard money for a long-term situation, but for short-term, for bridge financing, it's a great credit facility to think about. So I want you guys to reach out to us if you're looking for a hard money loan in Texas and in Florida. So call or text my number at 832-431-6333. And we are the hard money king for a reason for the last decade. So please reach out to us. This is a video on how to use hard money wisely. I believe in the power of it. So if you know anyone that's looking to get a hard money loan, forward this video to them. If you're a broker, you're a builder, Please send us any of your leads or customers who want to be able to help your clients to get you the best funding. Call or text my number. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian, and check out my next video. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.